Welcome viewers. In this video, we will explore the powerful feature of mail merge and how it can streamline your communication process. Whether you are sending personalized emails, letters, or envelopes, mail merge is your secret weapon. So let's dive in. So the key steps for doing the mail merge is to create one Word content file and one mail merge record spreadsheet. This Word content files includes the story that I want to send to my customers. In our video demonstration, I will be using 3 customer names to send this particular email. I have created one spreadsheet with first name and last name and email. This is the email of the different customers, but since this is a video demonstration, I am using my own email ID. Once you have prepared this spreadsheet, close this one and come back again to your Word content file. Double click and here go to your mailing tab view and here choose select recipients. Here you will have to use an existing list. Click here, go back to your desktop and select your created mail merge record spreadsheet file. Click open. It is asking like first row of data contains column header. Yes, in our case it is there. So we will choose this box and hit OK. And now we will begin mail merge. So come here, click email messages and now insert the field like first name, space and the last name. You can also preview like what is the first name of your customer. Similarly, for the second customer name, you can see the second customer name in our spreadsheet is Lucas Patel and the third one is Isabel Nijuin. I'm turning this off and now it's time to send those emails to all those 3 customers as per the email records maintained in the spreadsheet. So just click here and send email messages. So here this merge to email window will pop up under message option. For to field, choose this drop down arrow and choose email. Once done, you can also write subject line invoice and then hit OK. I'm minimizing this window and I'm opening my Outlook. And you can see all 3 emails have arrived to email inboxes of all the 3 customers in just one click. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.